Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, February 28th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, yesterday I was near euphoric because we had what appeared to be the first really good day that we've had in a while. By really good, I mean we had very strong profits. We had over $17,000 in open trade on the close yesterday. Oh man, we took a bite today. I mean, talking about getting deflated. When I have something like $20,000 in open trade, I usually expect that I'm going to get better than that the next day. Sometimes maybe we'll just get that amount. Occasionally, maybe a little less. But almost never, when we have that much, do we see it just totally evaporate. But that's exactly what happened today. We went from having more than $17,000 yesterday to closing out negative $4,000. Yeah, that's a bite. That's like over a $20,000 swing. That is really, really hard to take. The Dow broke a almost historic run here today. It had, through yesterday, it had had 12 consecutive up days in a row, and that many up days in a row had not been seen for 30 years. If it would have gone positive again today, it would have set an all-time record of 13 straight wins that has never happened, but it didn't happen. Unfortunately, the Dow closed down 25 points. That's certainly not a sell-off, but it seemed to be enough to really take the wind out of our sails, and we basically, we just gave back everything. That's really kind of sad. We only got into one new position today. Unfortunately, that was in Stone Energy, which is a very volatile stock. And so, in addition to having $4,000 in closed out trades negative, we have negative $1,700 in open trade going into tomorrow. So, yeah, today was a really, really bad day. I'll show you briefly what happened with a couple of stocks. This was our big winner yesterday, JDST, which is Inverse Gold Mining, and we had bought this on Monday and yesterday, excuse me. Man, I'm kind of shaken up. Anyway, yesterday we had bought this with about 2 hours to go. By the time it closed up here, we had $10,000 in a profit. Really a beautiful trade. And then you can see here it opens lower and then bang, comes down here, stops us out. We got $1,600 out of that. So we saw $10,000 positive go to $1,600, and on top of it all, looks like we pretty much sold the low tick of the day. So that was just terrible. And we did about the same thing in Dust, which is also Inverse Gold Mining. So those beautiful trades yesterday look pretty terrible this morning. And then to add to our problems, we had Degaz, which is Inverse Natural Gas. We bought this yesterday. It had closed against us, but not too bad. But then that thing gaps down today and really knocks us out with about $3,000 loss there. So that really hurt too. I mean, you can look here at what happened. We We had the big gap yesterday, and we buy the gaps, but it gapped and then didn't do anything, and then it gaps the opposite direction today and totally fills today that gap from 2 days ago. Anyway, just bad trading all around. Not feeling good. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.